Hello everyone. Cancel multiple payslip app will allow the user to cancel multiple payslip with a single click on the community edition. After installing this module, user can see an payroll option which is already installed right away here. Let's get into that, where you can see the list of payslips with a status of it. So here you can see, and some of them will be in the done state and some of them will be in the draft, also some of them will be in the rejected state. So from here in this list view, let's select an payslips for which we need to cancel it. Okay, so for example I'm going to select 3. Okay, and here under action we can see an option to cancel the payslip that we have selected in the list view. So once you have clicked on that, it will open a wizard where we can select and cancel payslip. To cancel the payslip that we have selected, just we can use the cancel option to ignore it. Okay, now just cancel the payslip that we have selected, and you can see that selected payslip will be in the rejected state, that is the cancelled state. In this way, we can make use of this module to help in cancelling the payslip which are already done. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries, and if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about and payroll related module, check our BrowseInfo playlist to see all newly updated payroll features that we have added. Thanks for watching.